I'm here with the Sage 3X Bluicer. If you're on the market for a juicer and a blender, you can get both in one machine with this Bluicer. This is the juicer part. It's got a chute almost 9 centimeters wide, so you can put in fruit and veg whole without having to spend time chopping it up. Then the stainless steel cutting disc will make quick work out of your ingredients to give you smooth, fresh juice. And if you want to make soups or sauces, you can detach the juicer and click in the blender right onto the same base. This multi-use base is great for saving space on your worktop, and it means that you won't have to buy 2 machines. There are 4 one-touch options down here that take the guesswork out of juicing. At the push of a button, you can get the perfect settings for smoothies, ice crushing, and frozen cocktails. You can also adjust the speed settings with a choice of 5 options, so you get perfect results whatever your recipe. And when it comes to cleaning, the auto clean function does this for you. Just put in some soap and water, press the button, and it cleans itself. You can also put all of the detachable parts in the dishwasher.